how to request special assistance on Hawaii Airlines. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can request special assistance on Hawaii Airlines. The first step is to visit the Hawaii Airlines website or the mobile app, depending on any one of your choice. And then once you're on the home page, the next thing to do is to move to the lowest part of the screen where you can see icons such as home, my trips, status, book, more. So just click on the more option, and then on the more page you can see options like sign in, get in touch. Now for you to be able to request special assistance, the major way is by contacting the customer support, and then under the get in touch you can see three options containing how you can contact the customer support, and they include message center, chat with us, contact us. So you can select any of this. I would prefer you choose the chat with us, because by clicking on chat with us, you'll be able to chat directly with a live agent, and necessary information that you need to provide, such as your reservation number, your membership number, and all of that, would be saved such that when you get to the airport, you can easily make reference to that chat. By the time you click on chat with us, the box will load, and then you can now go ahead to request your special assistant wherever you need support for various needs, or maybe things that has to do with mobility, service animals, or other requirements. Just go ahead and provide it, and you are good to go. So have a good time and have a safe trip.